Hello everyone, welcome in my YouTube channel. Today here we will discuss Maharashtra set previous year's question with its solution. As we have already done some previous lectures on Maharashtra set of year June 2019 and link of that lecture I will be upload in description of this video. So let's start with another question. So today we will solve question number 9 of section 1 of June 2019. This is question of LPP. Let's see what question say that. Question says say that the graph given below show that bounded feasible region. Here mention that region is bounded feasible region in shaded portion. Here we shaded it by yellow color. And for the LPP problem, maximum z equals to 2x1 plus x2 minus 12, where constraint given x1 and x2 greater than 0. Maximum z equals to 2x1 plus x2 minus 12. So question reason say that and shaded there. We will again come back in that region, but lastly question say that the objective function attain its maximum value when. Option A say that when x1 बराबर 1 and x2 बराबर 7. Option B say that x1 बराबर 3 and x2 बराबर 4. x1 बराबर 3 and x2 बराबर 3. x1 बराबर 3 and x2 बराबर 4. 5. So let's first come in that region. This is question of LPP and we have to find maximum value. That's very simple question, but lots of question. Firstly we have to create region and then find the maximum value at point, but here already given bounded feasible region. So solution, first we know about what is the meaning of bounded feasible region and feasible region. There are two type of feasible region: unbounded feasible region and bounded feasible region. And bounded feasible region always attain its maximum and minimum, but here we have to find maximum. So first thing, here given maximum bounded feasible region, so must we have maximum or minimum value at its any point of corner, and here corners are given point P here, point P as 0 4, point P here 0 4 4, origin from O to P. Here given bounded feasible region are what? Let origin we give O for origin. So O P Q R S T and O. That O P Q R S T O are four curve in which that bounded feasible region occurred. Let's, so that it is bounded. Now O is 0 0, P is 0 4, 0 and 4, Q is 4 2, R is 2 6, S is 1 7 and T is 0 7 0 7. Now we have to find maximum of that LPP problem. So from this option, firstly we have to discard those points which are not in corner or not in boundary of two corner in which same value of extremum point find, that is maximum or minimum. In that case maximum, if two corner have same value of maximum, then the line joining these point also, point of line joining these points has this LPP attained its maximum value. So first here we clearly see that in option D x1 बराबर 3 and x2 बराबर 4, that is 3 and x2 बराबर 5. That points come to here. That point come to here 3 5, and this point for option D, 3 and 5, 3 and 5 here, 3 and 5. So that point outside of that shaded region, so this point never will be maximum value, point of value in which that LPP is maximum. So option D is wrong. Similarly option C say that x1 बराबर 3 and x2 बराबर 3, x1 बराबर 3 and x2 बराबर 3, and that point come under the bounded feasible region. So this point also not extremum points for that LPP problem. So option C is also wrong. Now we see that from option A, x1 equals to 1 and x2 बराबर 7, and 1 and 7 are its corner point. So we can find maximum value from also here. And let's think about option B, x1 बराबर 3 and x2 बराबर 4. x1 बराबर 3 and 4 also lie in corner or corner of two line. So that point also taken for maximum value of that LPP. Now we here find in option A that LPP is maximum, or option B that maximum is that LPP is maximum. Let's see. We have to only put this value in given solution. Let's start its solution, and already we have discard option C and D. So now about option A solution. Given max z is equals to 2x1 plus x2 minus 12. So 8 for option A, 8 for option A. x1 is equals to 1 and x2 is equals to 7. Then max of z for this value, max of z for this value become 2 in x1 we put 1, 2 into 1 plus x2 7 minus 12, that is we get minus 3, 2 1 is 2 plus 7 9, and 9 subtracting 9 minus 12, 9 minus 12 is equals to minus 3. Now 8 for option B, x1 given 3 and x2 given 4, x1 given 3 and x2 given 7. Then max of z is equals to 2 into x1 का value of x1 3 plus 7, sorry, x2 का value 4 into 4 minus 12. So here we get 6 plus 4 minus 12, that is we get minus 2, and we clearly here compare that at that value we get maximum of z minus 3, and in that value option minus 2. So clearly that LPP given, that LPP is maximum at option B here. So option B is definitely correct and option A is wrong. Now one thing about in that question, this from 2 to 6 and from point Q to R, this is a straight line. This is a straight line. If you draw this in graph paper, then you exactly get that this is a straight line. So if maximum value we find at 0.34, then also maximum value we find at that point and line point joining this line from R to Q. That question is very easy and I hope you get this answer very easily. Okay, we will come back with next another question. Thank you.